Welcome class 5 in your EVS class. As I have explained you the chapter when the earth shook. So today I will answer few questions related to the chapter or which were in the textbook I have wrote in my last video. So you follow all the videos because all the questions are there in the videos. You will get all the answers if you go through the these videos. So the first, here we will start the activity book. So the first question is fill in the blanks with the correct words. So the first one is Jasma lives in the dash area of Gujarat. So it should be Kutch and Gujarat. So first I have written Kutch, then Gujarat. Question number 2 or fill in the blank 2 is there. On 22nd January 2001 and dash struck the Kutch area. So it should be earthquake. So it is written here. Second question is earthquake. Second fill in the blank is earthquake. Third, in a few dash the village were flat on the ground. So in a few minutes the village fall down on the ground. Fourth fill in the blank, the villagers mixed dash and made large cake. So here should be the villager mixed clay and cow dung and made large cake. Then the fifth fill in the blank, people face a lot of difficulties when they lose people from their family and their houses and belongings. So it is a pathetic that they lose people from their family, their houses and belongings. So it is a loss of total family, people and the damage of their property. So you just do it. Now the statements are given here. According to the statement, the true and false are given here. So all the people of the village, first statement is here, all the people of the village were sad and disturbed. It's a true statement. After the earthquake they all were disappointed, sad and disturbed. Second one is the villagers did not get any help from the government and people from other cities. It is a false statement because all organization, government or government organization, non-government organization and the people of the other cities just extended to the affected area and they all helped them. Now people help each other when there is a natural calamity. It's a true statement. Now the people of the village worked separately to build their huts. So it is a false statement because they have taken the help of the other city and the people who came from the city. The wall were whitewashed and decorated with beautiful design and small pieces of mirror. So it is a true statement. They rebuilt the house, they decorated them. At first they whitewashed them with the whitewash and then they have put some mirror, so it was looking very beautiful. So see the first fill in the blank, Kutch and Gujarat. Second, earthquake. Third, minutes. Fourth, clay with cow dungs. Fifth, family, houses. True, false. First one is true. Second is false. Third is true. And fourth is false. Fifth is true. Now answer the following question. So question number 1 is given here. Define an earthquake. So see the answer I have written here. A sudden violent shaking of earth causes an earthquake, typically causing great destruction as a result of movement within the earth crust or volcanic action. Again I am just repeating the answer. A sudden violent shaking of earth causes an earthquake, typically causing great destruction as a result of movement within the earth crust or volcanic action. Question 2. What is natural calamity? So a natural calamity is an unexpected event caused by nature, such as earthquake, hurricane, tornado, famine, etc. Again, a natural calamity is an unexpected event caused by nature such as earthquake, hurricane, tornado, famine, etc. Answer 3 or question 3 is there. On which date an earthquake struck the Kutch area of Gujarat? So, on 26th January 2001, earthquake affected the Kutch area of Gujarat. Question 4 is there. What happened when there is no rain? So, if there is no rainfall, soil can dry out, plants die, water level fall down in water bodies, causes drought. If food scarcity is there, or the food scarcity leads famine. So it is a special case when after the drought food scarcity is there is no food available, then it will lead to famine. Clear to you? So these all are the answers. I hope you can write these answer from the board. So you write it down, and then I will just remove the first part of the question, and I will write the fifth answer. Okay. So here again we will write the fifth answer. And the fifth answer is question 5 is there. How did the people from other cities help the affected people? So answer fifth. The government the government non-government government and non-government organizations and the people of from other cities donated food, clothes, donated food, clothes and medicines. To help the affected people. Now answer 6. What is question 6? The question 6 is here. How did the villagers build their huts? So answer 6 is here. Answer 6 is here. The people of the village The people of the village worked together to rebuild their village. To rebuild their village. They built huts with a huts. They built huts with the mixture of clay and cow dung. Clay and cow dung cakes which were earthquake resistant. Which were earthquake resistant. Okay, so up to question 6 you will write up to question 6, and the remaining question I will write in my next video. You follow the next video because the rest question I'll write there. Okay, thank you, and kindly write down in your copy so that you will get all the answers properly. Okay, goodbye.